In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed analytics in external apps in Zoho Analytics. By the end, you'll know how to place live Zoho Analytics reports, charts, pivot views, and full dashboards directly inside your website, portal, or product using a simple, reliable approach. Start by opening the exact visualization you want to display. This could be a table, a chart, a pivot or summary view, or a full dashboard. In the Zoho Analytics interface, choose Share and then Embed. In some layouts, you may see this under Publish as Embed in Website, Blog. This opens the embed settings and prepares an HTML iframe snippet for you. The great thing about embedding from Zoho Analytics is that the content stays live. As your data updates or someone refines the view, the embedded version outside of Zoho will reflect those changes automatically, so there's no need to republish. Before you copy the code, choose the access mode that matches your use case. Secured login is the most controlled option. Viewers must sign in to Zoho Analytics, and only users you've explicitly shared the report with can see it. This is ideal for internal apps or team portals where you're comfortable requiring authentication. Private permalink is a convenient middle ground. Zoho generates a unique, hard-to-guess URL, and viewers don't need a Zoho login to see it. Use this when you want easy access for a defined audience without managing user accounts. And remember that some permalink features may require a paid plan. Public access makes the visualization visible to anyone. There's no login and no key required, which is perfect for public dashboards, help centers, or marketing pages. If you go public, double-check that the data contains only what you're comfortable sharing. Once you've selected the access level and confirmed any display preferences, copy the generated iframe code, switch to your external app or web page, and paste the snippet exactly where you want the visualization to appear in the HTML. Save and publish your page, and the report should render immediately, drawing live data from your Zoho Analytics workspace. A few practical tips will help you get a polished result. Adjust the iframe's width and height to fit your layout. For responsive designs, set width to 100% and choose a comfortable height to prevent scroll bars. Always test with a viewer account that matches your chosen access mode to confirm permissions and filters behave as expected. If you're embedding sensitive metrics, create filtered views that expose only the necessary fields. And if you ever suspect a private permalink has been overshared, regenerate it to rotate access. That's all you need to embed live Zoho Analytics content into your external apps quickly and securely.